If you feel like you're a nobody, just know you have the potential to achieve literally anything. If you put your time into it, if you're consistent, if you always improve what you're doing, you will get there. And that's what I've been struggling with. I haven't posted content because I just felt like I wasn't good enough, or I felt like my content was boring, or like no one's gonna give a shit what I post or talk about. But you just keep on posting, you just keep on doing it, and eventually the results will come in. There's a lot of work that you have to do that no one's gonna give you credit for. Once you do all of that work, eventually the amount of credit you will get for the success you have is gonna be tremendous. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Del Marinov. I really appreciate you guys coming back. I haven't posted in like a month and a half, so I really do apologize for that, but I think I'm going to go back on my grind, and I have a few things that I want to do so I can enable myself to achieve my true potential. So I'm moving out of Miami. I think Miami is too much for me, at least for the next month. I'm going to go back home, spend some time with my family, and, avoid all this nonsense and distractions that Miami has. It's just natural. Miami has the best clubs, the best girls, the best things to do. A lot of people that have unlimited money and they just blow money like it's nothing. So I need to like leave this lifestyle for just a little bit, focus on myself and focus on posting more content on YouTube. I have a lot of things that I need to share with you guys because over the past 2 months, I've had one of the craziest experiences in Miami, and that's kind of prohibited me from developing myself and like improving and going where I want to go. So I'm going to be talking about that in the video. I've been to some of the craziest places and done some ridiculous things. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. But yeah, I'm happy to get back on my YouTube grind, back into trading and, everything so I can become better and, post more content for you guys because that's honestly what I really want to do. I've always wanted to become a YouTuber. I've always wanted to like post content, put my face out there and, take that risk, have people make fun of me for posting videos, but at the end of the day, who cares, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm happy to be here and I'm going to be posting like vlog style videos. So if that's what you guys want to see, I'm going to be doing that most likely. And then as well as just like sitting in front of the camera. So I'm going to be switching up my content style, hopefully like diversifying a little bit and kind of sprinkling around different forms of content. So if you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram at dtrades and subscribe to my YouTube, and let's get right into the video. This is currently the setup we're working with. A little bit goofy. I don't like the wires that these microphones have because it has to connect to the phone that way. So kind of annoying, but we got the suitcase right here, and this is my room. Messy as fuck right now, but yeah, this is the apartment, and gonna be leaving this place for a month, and yeah, gonna miss it, but I think it's the right move as of right now. I haven't posted in 2 months, but I'm getting back into it. I really enjoy posting content on YouTube, and I honestly don't know why I stopped. That was a big mistake of mine, but I'm here now, and there's a lot to talk about. I moved back from Miami to Tampa. This is just temporarily. I'm taking a break from Miami. Probably going back there in like 3 weeks or a month. But yeah, I'm in Tampa. I'm back with my parents for now, where YouTube all started. I filmed my first video at my parents' place by the pool, and my first video got 35,000 views. Super, super grateful for that. And then I posted probably like another 15, 20 long form videos and a bunch of shorts. But right now, I haven't posted in 2 months, and I don't know why. I've been really lazy with YouTube and posting content, and then also I've been getting less views on YouTube, which shouldn't dictate me posting content. I think that people struggle with focusing on the results, which affects how much work you put into what you're doing. You can't allow your results dictate how much progress you achieve. Just because you're not there yet doesn't mean you can't be there in a few months or in a couple years. It's gonna suck in the beginning, and I started like not getting as many views and not getting as much attention on my YouTube channel, but that doesn't mean you stop. Imagine if Mr. Beast, or imagine if Speed or one of these big content creators stopped. Mr. Beast posted for 2 years and he got 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is insane. I'm sure throughout that whole entire time he was wondering, or he was thinking, is this gonna be it? What if I just stop right now? What if I'm wasting my time? I'm sure Mr. Beast had those thoughts. Did he stop? No. 15 years later, or 12 years later, he is the biggest YouTuber in the world. Everyone knows him. 99% of people know who Mr. Beast is or heard about him. He has changed the world. He's donated tens of millions of dollars. He's done some of the craziest videos ever, and he didn't give up. Same with Speed. Speed always wanted to be one of the biggest streamers in the world, and look at him now. He started with one viewer, and he consistently streamed to that one person, which was his dad. And yeah, now Speed is one of the biggest streamers in the world. You cannot allow yourself to give up if you're not achieving the results that you want to achieve. That will happen with time. It's a snowball effect. Um, you will see the results later on, and they will come very, very fast, very exponentially. Once you crack that code and once you push through, your results, whether it's gaining subscribers, gaining followers, whether it's with trading, it will come through very fast, and everything's going to start clicking, and you're going to put in all that work on the back end, and eventually it's going to pay out, because no one gains 1 million subscribers instantly. No one makes $1 million instantly. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of unseen work that only you know you put up, and then you will achieve your goals, whether it's monetary, whether it's followers. Mr. Beast was a nobody for many years, and look at him now. Um, and if you feel like you're a nobody, just know you have the potential to achieve literally anything. If you put your time into it, if you're consistent, if you always improve what you're doing, you will get there. And that's what I've been struggling with. I haven't posted content because I just felt like I wasn't good enough, or I felt like my content was boring, or like no one's gonna give a shit what I post or talk about. But you just keep on posting, you just keep on doing it, and eventually the results will come in. There's a lot of work that you have to do that no one's gonna give you credit for. Once you do all of that work, eventually the amount of credit you will get for the success you have is gonna be tremendous. So make sure you put in that work, make sure you don't give up, keep on going. And that's kind of the mindset that I want to have. I want to continue posting on YouTube, and I think I'm going to post like vlog style videos. I set the camera up in my car, so this will be an exception, but I do want to post vlog style videos because I feel like they're pretty cool, just like going throughout my day, walking through what I'm doing. I do have a pretty interesting life in Miami, I would say. There's a lot of action going on in Miami. Here in Tampa, it's more chill, but I will be finding cool things to like talk about and like do for my YouTube channel. But I really appreciate you guys like staying tuned and watching my videos, because that is why I do it. I want to build up an audience that connects with me, and I want to be able to connect with you guys. So if you guys have any questions about life, about business, about day trading, about literally anything, about YouTube. I'm not a big YouTuber, but I do have some insights about like analytics and like how YouTube works. So if you have any questions, drop a comment or like shoot me a DM on Instagram at dtrades. That's my trading Instagram, and then my personal is just Dylan Marinov. Same as my YouTube. But yeah, if you guys have any like recommendations of what type of videos I should post, I wanna not only post day trading videos. I want to post videos about business, about my life, I want to create like a lifestyle YouTube channel that incorporates everything that I'm doing, because I don't only just day trade. I'm doing other things, and I want to kind of incorporate that all into this channel. So if you guys do want that, make sure to let me know. But yeah, I'm actually going to the gym right now. I'm in the parking lot. Just wanted to film this quick little video for you guys, but also I think I'm gonna post like gym content too. I'm not big at all, and I do want to become like bigger, stronger and healthier, because I mean everyone wants to be healthy, become strong, build muscles. So I'm gonna be posting gym content as well. Don't make fun of me if I'm like lifting incorrectly. I've gone to the gym for many years, but like not consistently. So like I do know like what to do, but like I'm not like a gym rat, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I even got my Gymshark shirt on. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be posting lifestyle videos, probably even content with my car. I have an Audi S5, and I'm really into cars, so I'm sure a lot of you guys are into cars as well. Uh, Probably gonna post some content about that. One of my boys, Skylar, he's actually picking up an M3 in like 2 weeks, so probably gonna film that too. Yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, make sure to subscribe and like and drop a comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. But yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna go hit a pump real quick, and then I'll see you guys.